Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at OiiOii and some of its newest AI video creation features. Before we jump into the workflow, let me first show you a completed video created entirely with OiiOii. Take a look at the final result, including the cinematic visuals, storytelling, and overall production quality.
Scrap. Nothing but high-end scrap. Whoever did this didn't want you found, metalhead. A quantum core drive. Military grade. What the hell is a civilian android doing with a military black box? Time to go.
Now let's quickly look at the new feature interface. OiiOii has recently introduced several powerful tools that make AI video creation much easier and more structured. The two main features we'll focus on today are Skills and Video Reimagine. Feature 1, Skills. Let's start with the Skills feature. After clicking on Skills, you'll find multiple creative options available. These include storytelling, suspense, comedy, instant noodle anime, scene design, and many other creative workflows. For this demonstration, I'm using the storytelling skill. Now let me enter my prompt. A lone memory merchant finds a glowing memory chip inside a broken android in a dark neon alley. Heavy rain, cinematic close-up, mysterious atmosphere. Next, I'll select the realistic live-action style and click Generate. The workflow guides you through the entire production process step by step. First, it activates the workflow and configures the film parameters. Then you'll choose the video duration, aspect ratio, and language. After that, OiiOii automatically generates the script, suggests emotions, creates characters, and builds a storyboard. Once the storyboard is ready, it generates environments and scene layouts. After reviewing everything, simply continue to the final generation stage. After clicking Generate, OiiOii begins rendering the final video.
Scrap. Nothing but high-end scrap. Whoever did this didn't want you found, metalhead. A quantum core drive. Military grade. What the hell is a civilian android doing with a military black box? Time to go.
A few moments later, the video is ready. As you can see, the visual quality is highly cinematic. The lighting, camera angles, atmosphere, and scene composition feel like a professionally produced short film. What's even more impressive is the storytelling. Starting from a simple text prompt, OiiOii automatically develops characters, emotions, environments, and narrative flow, making it easy to create engaging, story-driven content without manual editing. Feature 2, Video Reimagine. Now let's move on to the second feature, Video Reimagine. This feature allows you to recreate or reimagine existing videos while preserving key elements such as characters, scenes, pacing, and camera movement. The process is very simple. Upload your reference by dragging and dropping it into the platform. Then enter your prompt, select the desired style, assets, and model settings. After clicking Generate, OiiOii analyzes the original footage and creates a newly generated version. Now let's compare the original footage with the remade version side by side. The output quality remains high and demonstrates the platform's ability to recreate viral-style content while maintaining consistency across scenes. Overall, both Skills and Video Reimagine significantly expand what you can do inside OiiOii. Whether you want to create cinematic stories from text prompts or recreate existing video formats, these tools make the process fast and accessible. If you'd like to try these features yourself, you'll find the link in the video description below. Let me know in the comments which feature you found most interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.